Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of February, 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.13. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 14.49%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.63% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $192.30 is breached, it will likely signal a more pronounced decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 11.75% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -13.21% to +2.21%. Examining the longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 24.58%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 21.99% and 57.97% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price somewhere between $238.53 and $308.90. Our latest daily update for Amazon features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Amazon Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, the Amazon stock price rose by 1.41%, increasing from $192.82 to $195.54. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.08%, with a low of $191.96 and a high of $195.96. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 instances, reflecting a decrease of 6.15% during that period. The trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7.65 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price reached $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the stock price is 19.37%, or $46.98 below the 52-week high, and 85.02%, or $1,109.66, below the all-time high recorded on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon continues to dominate the e-commerce landscape, with a notable endorsement from Stephanie Link, Chief Investment Strategist at Hightower Advisors, who highlighted the company's surging market share. This positive sentiment suggests potential bullish movement for Amazon in the short term, as increased market share often translates into higher revenues. However, Amazon faces challenges on multiple fronts. The company recently lost a court battle against a hefty fine of $812 million in Luxembourg related to privacy violations. Such legal setbacks can dampen investor confidence in the company's management and regulatory compliance, which may negatively impact the stock price in the short term. On a broader scale, analysts predict a surge in retail sales, providing an encouraging backdrop for Amazon's growth prospects. Given the current market conditions, where many brick-and-mortar retailers are struggling, Amazon's robust e-commerce platform may become increasingly attractive to investors seeking stability in the retail sector. In the long term, Amazon's sustained focus on innovation and market expansion, despite regulatory hurdles, positions it well for continued growth. The reaction of investors to these dynamics will be crucial in determining Amazon's stock performance in both the near and extended future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Telsey Advisory assigned Amazon a rating of outperform with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Benchmark gave Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. Also on that day, JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, Canaccord Genuity assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. On that same date, Citigroup also rated Amazon as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.41%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. Amazon stock carries sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $195.92 and $216.67. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Amazon. Amazon currently finds support from accumulated volume at $194.54. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.08%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.45%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on April 29, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.38. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $224.92. If you do not currently own any shares, you may consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $194.54. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of March, 2025, Noe Indra K conducted an insider purchase of 4,806 shares of restricted stock unit award. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Harrington Douglas J. executed an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. sold 239,843 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 4th of March, 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. sold 56,339 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of February, 2025, Jassy Andrew R. made an insider purchase of 31,960 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 54.847. In total, insiders purchased 221,486 shares and sold 744,962 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Currently, Amazon displays several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, March 20th, we anticipate that Amazon will open lower by $1.05, starting at $194.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.